So I began Truly Thriving Lives as a way to share the tips and tools that I've discovered to live a more simplistic and fulfilling life. I've found several life-changing ways of living that add tremendously to our quality of life, including minimalist living, eating mostly plants, meditation, faith, and using pure home and body products. In fact, after my own lifelong struggle with eczema, and after seeking a solution to my daughter's eczema, I was able to find, mix, and create a working soaps and moisturizers that kept both of our skin soft, healthy, and eczema-free. So I couldn't keep that to myself. I wanted to share that and other helpful tips so that others could share in that victory. So I share the ingredients, recipes, and techniques for these health and wellness game changers online and in person via DIY tutorials. And for those who don't have the interest or time to make products themselves, I create, hand mix, package, and share these online and in person. So then what started off as a personal mission to create a solution for me and my family's needs is now blossomed into sharing healthful products with Baltimore at local markets and with the world online. And it's been amazing. All the support and encouragement that I've received from my customers has completely touched my heart. From hearing their personal unique stories about their skincare troubles, concerns, and needs, to the testimonials about skincare victory and how the products that I've handmade have been a game changer for so many people. It's my passion to continue on sharing these products, tips, and tutorials with the world locally and online so that everyone can experience that peace of mind and freedom that comes from healthful skincare products at work and wellness habits that enrich one's existence, so that we can bypass those everyday hurdles that distract us from our bigger dreams and passions, so that we can all live truly thriving lives. Come visit me at trulythrivinglives.org to stay updated on new posts and events. See you in the next video.